In today's video, you will learn how to post on Instagram. For this purpose, you have to open your Instagram application. So I have clicked on Instagram. So my Instagram application is open. Now, if you can see on the middle bottom side of the page, plus is mentioned. You have to click on the plus. So four options are given to me, which are post, story, reel and live. So I will remain it as post. So I have selected a picture and now I will click on the top right side of the page, which is blue arrow. I will click on this. So your photo is selected and you can post this as an Instagram post. So below you can see some filters which you can apply on your post. So if I click on anything, it will be applied on my picture. So you have to click again on the blue arrow. So I have again clicked. So now you can give your caption in this area. Write a caption, you can tag people, you can add location, you can add reminder, you can boost this post also, and you can also post your picture from Instagram to your Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr and anything. So this is as simple as I have shown to you, that you can post your picture like I have click on this and tick. So my picture is posting. So my picture has been posted. I will delete this because it's my personal profile and I will not post any random picture. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next